Hello everybody, welcome to another video on this channel, and today we are here with the 2023 Panini Prizm Draft Picks Blaster Box. First ever time that we're looking at a Panini Prizm on the channel. It is a hobby blaster that I have here, so that is a hobby blaster. Question marks, I don't really know how I feel about this whole hobby retail blaster, because when I was watching videos where people open these, they felt exactly the same. These are just, these were a little bit more expensive. I bought them on sale. The shop that I bought them from, nobody wants them really there, so I was lucky enough to pick them up for a pretty decent price. It's Panini Prizm, so the chase, obviously nothing super special, nothing surprising. It's a color blast, stained glass, manga. They got some signatures. They also added a couple of signatures and like relic signatures or like patch autos from different college series, but I'm not sure we're gonna find it here. And one more thing I want to talk about, this product is semi-licensed. As you can see, these two are not. Obviously the Thompsons are not licensed, for example, because they played in the OTE. Victor Wembanyama has his cards here, but obviously at the time he was playing for Le Valois Metropolitan, so those cards are also without a license. So yeah, it's the pajamas cards, for Wemby, but still, there is Victor Wembanyama. These cards still go for a lot, so it wouldn't be too bad to pull one of those. Also on the stained glass and manga and color blast, I believe, you got some interesting legends like Curry, Tatum, or legends. Well, in case of Curry, I would say legend already. In case of Tatum, depends on how you want to view it. But yeah, let's get into this. So here are the packs. Here's the empty blaster now. Let's get to it. I don't expect anything from this because, well, it is Panini product and it's a blaster. So usually that's not a great combination, but we'll see. Maybe I will be proven wrong here. We'll see what we can pull. And yeah, what interesting things lie ahead. Oh my god, the cards are extremely wobbly. As you can see, bent like crazy. But anyways, Gabe Kulsher, our first card here. Okay. Jalen Williams, Santa Clara University. Seth Lundy. And here we go. What is this? Scoot Henderson. Once again, an unlicensed card. It's the widescreen, so that is an insert here. So first insert here, and then we got, oh, a signature. Let's go. So okay, I did not expect this. I mean, not a super great name, I would say, but yeah. Terquavian Smith. Signature. Is this card limited or is it non-limited auto? It is a non-limited auto for the NC State Wolfpack. Okay, first pack. Very good luck. So yeah, signature from blaster. I guess Panini wanted to prove me wrong. Yeah. Here we got Eamon Thompson, Scotty Barnes, Bryce Sensabaugh, Allen Iverson. These are the Legends cards that I was talking about. So yeah, here we got one. And then, ooh, nice. On the purple parallel, Kevin Durant. So it's a cool name to pull on a parallel, definitely. Kevin Durant here. Non-limited, but yeah, still. To be honest, I think I have not seen, I watched quite a few videos of these blasters, and I have not seen anybody pull a signature, so I would consider myself very, very lucky. Keegan Murray, Paul George, David Singleton, Zion Williamson, and a parallel of Cam Whitmore for Villanova. Okay. Marcus Sasser, Jalen Brunson, Colin Castleton, Florida, Jarvis Walker on the parallel, and Derek Whitehead on the fireworks. Okay, next pack. James Nagy. Okay, so that is he once again. This is a EuroLeague picture, or probably Liga Endesa ACB picture. You can see a Barcelona jersey there. but obviously not licensed. So yeah, a yellow pajamas there as well. DeMar DeRozan, one of my favorite players. Cool to get one of his, let's say, vintage cards for back when he was at the USC. Taylor Hendricks, Jordan Hawkins, and Brandon Miller on the parallel. Another pretty cool name to pull there on a parallel. So parallels also have been pretty great so far. And last pack, Dwayne Wade, Ja Morant, Aaron Bradshaw, Kyrie Irving, and Jimmy Butler. Okay, overall, I'm very happy with this. Jimmy Butler here. Close this off. So yeah, a great break. Let's recap. What do we have pulled? Okay, so let's recap. A very good blaster. I have not seen better blaster video. I mean, I'm sure that they probably exist, but I have personally not seen any box that would be better than this. So we start off with the fireworks of Derek Whitehead. And our second insert that we pulled was Scoot Henderson on the widescreen. We did not pull a single of the horizontal variations on the base cards, I believe. But we had some cool names on the parallels. Jimmy Butler, Brandon Miller, Cam Whitmore, and Kevin Durant on the purple. And then the hit of the box for the NC State Wolfpack, Terquavian Smith on the signature. So yeah. But yeah, anyways, I enjoyed this. I will have to take a look at how valuable the Smith auto actually is. I'm not really sure, to be completely honest. And I don't have very big expectations. But, you know, maybe it's a player that I don't know that well, and he's actually fantastic. That happens to me a lot, because I watch so many sports that sometimes a lot of names actually skip under the radar, you know, unnoticed. But generally, I think very fun Panini Prizm Draft Picks break. I hope you enjoyed it too, and I hope I'll see you at the next video. Until then, goodbye.